To see that, first of all, I want to see everybody sitting straight. I want to see that everybody sitting straight, fast. Very good. Very good. With your books and pencils in your hand, as we are going to start with the exercise of the book. Okay. Very good. Open your cameras, rest all the students who have not opened their cameras so that I can see you all. Okay. The first exercise of your book is of lesson number 1, and the name of the lesson number 1 is looking up a dictionary, right? The first is arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Arrange the words in the alphabetical order. There are 12 words given and you have to arrange all these words in the alphabetical order. I will share a screen with you in which the answers are written and you have to write it down in your copies, okay? See, as you all can see, the answers of the first lesson, chapter number 1, looking up a dictionary. Exercise number A is arrange the words given in alphabetical order. The words are grip, greed, grammar, grey, grief, grumble, growl, growth, greeting, grace, grumpy, and grateful. When we arrange all these alphabetical order, the answer which we get is, as you all can see on your screens, first word will be grace, second will be grammar. You write down the answers in the column wise, first, second, third, and fourth. Next will be from the next column, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. Okay, put the right number, and the answers are first grace, grammar, grateful, fourth is greed, fifth is greeting, sixth is grey, seventh is grief, eighth is grip, ninth is growl, 10th is growth, 11th is grumble, 12th is grumpy. Is it clear? Can you see the answers? You can write down grace, grammar, grateful, greed, greeting, grey and grief, grip and growl, growth, grumble, and grumpy. Is it clear? Write it down along with me. Also, I will be sending you the PDF of these lesson answer keys. You can also do it from that if you miss any of these. And is here are few words given, 9 words are given, and also 3 pages from a dictionary with the guide words are also given. Okay, you have to find out that which of the following given 9 words lie on which page of the dictionary. Is it clear? As we know how to find out the words in a dictionary, we already know that we start from the leftmost, we start with the first letter of the word, then we go for the second letter and third letter and so on. We find out that word lie on which page of a dictionary. See, The first word is colt, C-O-L-T, colt. This word will lie on page number 246. Second word will lie, second word is coast, and it will lie on page number 245. Third word is collect. It will lie on page number 246. Fourth is cloth, and it will lie on page number 245. Fifth is clown, and it will lie on page number 245. Sixth is climate. It will lie on page number 244. Seventh is code, and it will lie on page number 245. Eighth is clock, cloak, and its cloak will lie on page number 244. Ninth is collar, and it will lie on page number 246. I hope it is clear. You all have written. Okay. Next is exercise number C. In this, we are given the word dictionary, and this word dictionary carries 10 letters. In this, I is being repeated twice. दो बार आ रहा है. So we will take this word I only once. So we will be getting 9 letters. Okay. So taking each letter once, हर लेटर को एक बार लेकर के we will make one word of our own choice, and then we will arrange them in the alphabetical order. As you can see, I have done one for you. You can do this yourself also at home, and you can do you can make the words of your own choice beginning with A, C, D, I, N, O, R, T, and Y. As I have written A for ample, C for crumble, D for dreadful, I for indigenous, N for neighbor, O for occur, R for rigid, T for track, and Y for eel. Is it clear? I have made one words with each letter and also arranged them in the alphabetical order. Is it clear to everybody? Now we have done this exercise of lesson number 1. I want to come back to you and ask you if you have done it or not. I'll come back to you, okay? So, have you all done? Adiba, Sonakshi, Pranesh, have you marked? All of you? Have all of you marked? Okay, very good, Sonakshi. Others also? Navya Singh, you don't have the book set. You have to purchase the book set for yourself. Okay? And purchase it with by tomorrow so that you are with the class. Okay? Next is, who else? All of you show me your work. I want to see it. Open your cameras. I want to see that you have written or not. Okay, Sanvi has written, Adiba, Yashvardhan has written. And what about others? Kartavya, have you written? Why? You should always be ready with your books and pencils whenever the class is about to begin. Okay? Okay, okay. Okay, next, Vidanshi, very good. Navya Meena, very good. Riddhi Siddhi, very good. If you have skipped any of the answers, I will be sending you the PDF also. So don't worry about that, okay? Shall we start now with the next lesson? I'm sharing the screen with you and we will be doing with the next chapter, chapter number 2, the sentences. And we will be solving the exercise of this lesson, okay? See, you can see it on your screen very clearly. Chapter number 2, the sentence answer key, exercise number D. You have to rewrite the following groups of words as a meaningful sentence. Also, you have to begin each sentence with a capital letter and a full stop at or a question mark at the end. Okay. The first one is regularly, magazine, good, a reading habit is a. So when we arrange this group of words into a meaningful sentence, we get reading a magazine regularly is a good habit. You can write down, you can see the answers on the screen. You can write down along with me. Reading a magazine regularly is a good habit. Put a full stop at the end because it is a statement sentence. Next is, should magazine I which read. When we will arrange these groups of words in a meaningful sentence, we will get which magazine should I read? Which magazine should I read? I hope everybody is writing, and I know you all are very good in writing. So write beautifully and quickly. Third is, a good suggest magazine children's. A good suggest magazine children's. The answer is, suggest a good children's magazine, full stop. Suggest a good children's magazine, full stop. Fourth one is, today go you the did to school. Today go you the did to school. When we form a question out of these group of words, we get, did you go to the school today? We get, did you go to the school today? Question mark. Fifth is, did principal make announcement what the? Did principal make announcement what the? The answer is, what announcement did the principal make? What announcement did the principal make? Sixth is, principal the of announced the names winner the. The answer is the principal announced the names of the prize winners. You can write down the principal announced the names of the prize winners. Seventh is prizes they be given and certificates annual function on will the day. Question is prizes they be given and certificates annual function on will the day. The answer is they will be given the prizes and certificates on the annual function day. Answer is they will be given the prizes and certificates on the annual function day. I hope everybody has written. Exercise number E is you have to change these groups of words into meaningful sentence by adding some words to them. You have to change these groups of words into a meaningful sentence by adding some words to them. And also sentence, add the words of your own choice and form a sentence. And I have also done for you. The teachers are teach classes. You can make the sentence of your own choice also because you are big enough to frame a sentence. First is the teachers are teaching their classes. Second is switch. Second is switch. You have to make a command sentence out of it. So the answer is switch on the fan. You can write anything also. Switch on the lights, switch off the fan, or switch off the lights. Anything you can write. Third is your song. You have to make a question out of these two groups of words. Your song. Was your song liked by your friends? Question mark. Was your song liked by your friends? Question mark. I hope everybody has written. Next is there are. Next is there are. You can make any sentence of your choice. Again, what I have made is there are many children playing in the garden. There are many children playing in the garden. Fifth is my father was. My father was. I have made the sentence is. You can also write the same, but you can also make of your own choice. My father was. Sorry, it was. My father was helping helping my mother in the my father was helping my mother in the kitchen. When did you? When did you? Question. When did you? Question is when did you bring this book? Okay. When did you bring this book? Question mark. Next is try to. Next is try to. Try to come on time or try to submit your assignments on time. Try to help your younger brother. You can make any sentence beginning with try to, but it should be a command sentence. Is it clear? Try to come on time. I have made this sentence. You can also make any of your choice. Before moving on to the next exercise, I want to see that all of you have written or not. I'll come back to you and see whether you have written these two exercises or not. And also, if you have any problem, these two. Okay, have you done? Very good. Devankar has done. Riddhi Siddhi, show me your work. Very good. Yashvardhan, very good. Jitesh, everybody, show me your work. Yashvardhan, Riddhi Siddhi, very good. Devankar, Sanvi, very good. Okay, Devesh, show me your work, beta. Sanvi, very good. Samya, show me your work. Very good. Okay, very good, everybody. Very good, Riddhi Siddhi. Lakshita, show me your work. Sonakshi, very good. Samya, very good. Okay, very good. What about others? Vedanshi, very good. Devesh Singh, also good. Navya, have you shown me? Navya Meena, have you shown me your work? Okay, very good. Adiba, what about you? Show me your work, Adiba. Are you writing, Adiba? Lakshita, very good. Very good, Adiba, very good. Okay, everybody is writing. Okay, very good. Shall we move on for the next exercise? Okay, I will share the screen with you and we will be doing with the next exercise, okay? See, next is you have to put a full stop wherever necessary and circle the letter that should be in capital. It's a paragraph given about Mr. Prasad. It's a very small paragraph given about Mr. Prasad, and in this paragraph, neither the full stop is inserted nor the word is written. Few words are written in capital letter, which we have to do. So I will give you 1 minute. Read this paragraph yourself, everybody, and try to put the full stop and the capital letter yourself. Don't look into the answer sheet. I'll remove it and come back to you, and you will do it yourself. One hint which I will give you is that because the name of the person is written Mr. Prasad, we always put a dot after the MR. It's a short form Mr. So we will put MR dot. Is it clear? Everywhere, wherever it is written Mr. Prasad, you also have to put MR dot. Okay, I'm coming back to you to see that you all are doing it yourself. Okay, start doing it. I want to see that everybody is doing. Very good. Very good. Read the paragraph yourself. Everybody read it. Mr. Prasad was the head of a service organization. Read it. Riddhi Siddhi, you also try to do. Very good. Samya, are you doing? No, Riddhi Siddhi, you don't have to underline. Only you have to circle the letter word or the letter which will be in capital. जो word capital में आना चाहिए उसको आप circle कर दोगे and put a full stop at the end of the sentence wherever it is necessary. Okay. So Nakshi, sit straight, beta, and do your work. Very good. Sanvi Sharma, do the exercise number F. Very good. If you have done, very good. Can you show me? Sanvi, show me. You have done the exercise number F. Okay, very good. Jitesh Kartavya, open your cameras. Parth, Pranesh, open your cameras. I want to see your work also. Suhani Meena, Vedanshi, open your cameras. Yash Vardhan, open your cameras. Sahil Bhatia, open your cameras. I want to see your work also. Lakshita Singh have done the work. Very good. Should we discuss the answers now? Very good. Very good. I have seen your work also. Very good. Everybody has done. Shall we discuss the answers? Kartavya, shall we discuss? Okay, very good. Now I'll share the screen with you. See, because I told you Mr. Prasad, MR is written in short, so we'll put a full stop over here. Can you see? The place where we will put a full stop, I have marked in blue, and the words which will be in capital, the letter which will be in capital, I have put a red mark under it. So you can check your answers. Mr. Prasad, after MR we'll put a dot. Then after organization there will be a full stop because the sentence is ending over here and the another sentence is starting. So O of the word one will be in capital letter because we know that every sentence begins with a capital letter. One day he had a lot of work to do because the sentence is ending over here. We'll put a full stop over here. Then new sentence is beginning. So T of there will be the capital. There were some mistakes in his accounts also. We'll put a full stop after also. Then T of this had will be capital. This had upset him, full stop. He, H of he, capital. He sat at his table in an angry mood and did his work, full stop. Check your answers, everybody. And if anybody has written wrong, you can make the corrections also side by side. Next is just. J of just will be capital because it is a new sentence. Just then the visitor entered the room, full stop, as the sentence is ending. Then H of he will be in capital because it is a new sentence. He gently called Mr. Prasad. After MR, we'll put a dot, and also after Prasad, we'll put a full stop because the sentence is ending. Next is Mr. Prasad, dot capital, paid no attention to him, full stop. T of the will be capital. The visitor again tried to say something, full stop. MR dot Mr. Prasad gave him an angry look and kept on working, full stop. T of the will be capital. because it is a new sentence. The visitor quietly walked out of his office, full stop. He had read about the work being done by Mr. Prasad and liked it. H will be capital. After Mr. MR, we'll put a full dot, and after liked it, we'll put a full stop because the sentence is ending. Next is, he wanted to present him a check for 1 lakh rupee. H will be capital, and after rupee, we will add a full stop. Next is, Mr. Prasad had lost a great opportunity. After R, we'll put a dot of Mr. and after opportunity, we'll put a full stop because the sentence is ending. So I hope you all have done the checked your answers which we have discussed right now of this exercise number F. Is it clear to everybody? Okay. So now I'm coming back to you, and because our time is over, so we will continue with the remaining exercise in tomorrow's class. Okay? Okay to everybody? And also, what I want you is that you will try to do the remaining exercise of this chapter number 2 and also the exercise of chapter number 3, subject and predicate yourself. Okay, so that tomorrow in the class we can discuss. I will be telling you the answers also, and also I will be asking you also, so that you are able to answer me. Okay, very good. Thank you all of you. Thank you all of you.